Kore.ai became a leader in this space, and the investments in the customers' journeys we took is exceptionally setting them apart. In most of the industries, particularly healthcare, the contact centers have significant amount of agents. Agent turnover is a huge pain point, and particularly at 30% attrition, the costs are very, very high. Our relationship with Kore started about a decade ago, and during those times, there are not many AI players, and the innovation they brought in was very unique. And what we see is leveraging agents by having the right amount of AI and the workflow automation, we can reduce the number of agents needed in the contact center. And further is also the ability to onboard the agent where the turnover is high very quickly with enabling him with the right tool sets and AI frameworks. Where we have onboarded Kore.ai platform, we saw close to 40% reduction in average handling time. And more importantly, in spite of having the reduction in the handling time, we saw 20% increase in customer satisfaction, which is exemplary. And that's the trends and the indicators we look for. Now, during this age, when hyperscalers are also bringing these solutions, what Kore uniquely positions is the ability for those customers where data is still a concern and people are still asking for on-prem or hybrid solutions, which is possible with this current platform. So that's the reason we really want to continue to work with Kore.ai in those relationships where we need a much more hybrid strategy. A decade has got us here, but the next 2 to 3 years is the time frame we have to accelerate in terms of what we bring jointly to the market. And thanks to the long success stories we have, Kore.ai became a leader in this space, and the investments in the customers' journeys we took is exceptionally setting them apart. As we see AI adoption going up, what we would love to do, and we are having discussions, is having an innovation lab across the different markets where Kore.ai is expanding. And also significant expansion into industry solutions we want to build on top of Kore.ai. So that as more and more industries evolve, we feel the next 12 to 18 months is going to really see significant changes in terms of the adoption and the success we see in the market. We're not just embracing AI, we are redefining what is possible. And not only that, we also want to address the particular concern people have if AI is going to take over the universe, which is not the case. It's going to be hand in glove, where human agents and digital agents are going to be coexistence and working together to solve customer problems.